Ka Forest and Environment Department jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya Ribhoi Subdivision Nongpo menta ka sngi ka arp santarik Risau Arhajar Arpway kalalait ban pleno ya ka patrolling camp Hanong Khlem Wildlife Sanctuary ha ka jingdon ki officer jong ka tega department ki bakantub Yuba BK Lengwa ubadai kumu Principal Chief Conservator jong ka Forest Ushri RS Gill ubadai Principal Chief Conservator Forest Territorial Ushri HC Chaudhry ubadai Chief Wildlife Warden ki khna pule jong ka School Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo bat ki ki officer jong ka tega tanan bar ha ka jo ka sngi la pleru ya ka jingdro ha ki kenro ka office trekam jong ka tega tanan kum shibenta ban longkum ka jing pensai bar ka jing hikai shiki pai ba ban penne pensa ai kimrat khlau khamtam ya ka mei mariang ka ba i ka jongi bat shushu katay ka jingdro ka longru kum shibenta ban pentip shiki paitba baha katay ka Nongkhlem Wildlife Sanctuary ki don shishay kitay ki jaimrat ki badan ha katay ka jingdro nakaliang kitay ki officer ha bakran shikilat pathay kubor kilakan tujur ki paitba jong ka dong Ribhoi district bat khamtam mi kinong song ki ba marjan ba katay ka Wildlife Sanctuary banyele ban penne pensa ikimrat khlau ki ba bunjai bat khamtam banyele ban penne pensa ya ka jing bhabri jong ka mei mariang ka pai ke jongi
Ini kalau ka inisiatif jong ka Forest Wildlife Wing ka Forest Department ban create ban tip ikibri ban create awareness fang gani ka jingdon kam taka wildlife conservation ka jingdon kam ban sumar ki cloud betap ki merat mereng bodon huni kani ka Nongkhlem Wildlife Sanctuary ka don sa Ribhoi district di bon kim tip fang kani namar bali bon ki nongsor ini kitai kim nakham wan sa kani ka jakal dai daga bagi le kani ka drawing bana ki pentip ki pai ba khot bagi don kum kani ka reserve forest ni don ka bonong i cloud betap ki bonong ruspa ha bar kini ki merat ki jingthung ki ba long ki kerpang ha kani ka Nongkhlem Wildlife Sanctuary kani kalayo as one of the best managed wildlife sanctuaries of the northeast hakani ka assessment bakale ka Wildlife Institute of India kasile aman laki south sansnem how 2018 kayo ay kato te man laki hadin certain periods of time ki sile assessment te ni kermen balik kindale ka next assessment ru in one chakman ini ka in terms of kanika management juga kanika Nongkhlem Wildlife Sanctuary te bangidon kanika sanctuary ka ba labana safar state ru te kemun ikipaj bah ni hang jungir ngi di pentip da ko pangi ide kumni ngi kimnan kami kanika talent juga ni artist jungir for a noble cause of wildlife conservation the kawairu katat ini si siapa ini kendro ini kita bun ini tho ini ta ini posters ka penisi bhai ki da ka bakale ni pa pen wingi pen kam ai ki ni spaces for a very constructive use
tekhndiar sa te hati apo ka Nongkhlem Wildlife Sanctuary Resort te hatu ki jaimrat ayu ki bedang don hatu mata hati
ki don not ki marat nomor balai ba baru ya ka wildlife sanctuary mencuba kami nak reserve forest kami nak ka por ki British te ngila sumar sukher bai kani ka jaka but nadak ka daw ki cloud ki dang ne ki dang beben bat ki marat ki dang don hi ki don mencuba nrei nomor ba mencuba pa thi galong le ba lun ni kani ka sanctuary ki don ki cloud ki marat ki yo ban nya sini satai mentapra balabun kini ki ba ki snong ki thaw bat ki jikthum ki tep ki jongki pulun ni ka sanctuary ki manar ki la khamlong la kham sakut kani jaka me kanana kadang ngi hab ya menteri haban manage by sanctuary kanang bagi ki manar kinu headwear sabar ba teng ki manar ki ya ki headwear ki sabar bat ki beriu ki ban sukhu ba ndi ba ki le ni dak bomban se ban liwat ka bam bat ki don kam ban yaj sajengai ki cloud ban hit ki bam compare ke different seasons of the year de dak bangile awareness kum ni ki beriu kum ni pa ki don kam ban beri ban sumar ni pra jugi ki beriu ki suthu ba kim de ban penyap ne de ban siat ne de ban be ki de ban aila ki kat bala ki kin yaj
My name is Chandan Singh, and I'm here to give a very short speech on this beautiful painting done here. This is something very new done in our Ribhoi district in Nampo. This is a very unique thing done. It involves the beautiful paintings of the animals found in the wildlife sanctuary of Nongklem, and this is a thing which was never done in Nampo as I've seen, and this is very attractive, especially to our students, the nearby students, the people of Nampo area. Whenever they see, they used to feel a very refreshment time, and I've seen many people while crossing here, they used to take videos of all this. So this painting is just not unique, it's not just beautiful, but it also makes us aware of what are the animals we have in our district. So it is a very great initiative done by the Nongklem Wildlife Sanctuary. It is really appreciated. So on this day, I would request every people of Nampo and all the students and even some organization not to write not to spoil this beauty. And those beauty are mainly spoiled by writing something. Most of the times spitting kwai and all. So I would just request every people passing across this road, seeing this painting, not to spoil it, just to see it, be aware, and do their prime duty to conserve our wildlife. At the end, I would like to thank the wildlife sanctuary of Nongklem. I would like to thank the Nampo Wildlife Range under Khasi Hill Wildlife Division. Thank you very much.
This is basically a part of the program for recovery of clouded leopard, which is the state animal of our state. It's a project funded by the Government of India, Ministry of Environment and Forest. So for that, we basically have selected three landscape for in situ conservation of clouded leopard, as far as told just now. And this is one of the three landscape. So major activity under this program is basically to protect the entire habitat by plugging the areas which are plugging the gaps in protection measures, by deploying the people in the areas which are vulnerable to illegal poaching and felling of trees and small other illegal. So we will be this is, as Sir has told, this is one of the 10 patrolling camps which we will be constructing in each of these three landscapes. Two we have already constructed last year. This is one of them. Second one is at Umar, which Sir will be inaugurating today again. Then two we will be constructing this year. We already got sanction. So we will be also be getting. We have already got sanction for deployment of additional local youth to provide support to the existing regular staff. And then apart from that, we will also be undertaking several activities to for the welfare of the people who are living in close vicinity of each of these landscapes, by way of small community creation of small community assets, and to promote ecologically prudent and ecologically and environmentally sustainable livelihood options in each of three landscapes. We will be undertaking a detailed socio-economic analysis with the help of Aranyak. Aranyak has already been engaged. So they will basically be identifying which are the activities which we should undertake in each of three landscapes, where people could also earn their livelihood without causing damage to the wild animals and their habitat.
Nongklem Wildlife Sanctuary is the only wildlife sanctuary in the Ribhoi district, and this is a very important area as far as biodiversity is concerned. We have the megafauna like the elephant species, we have the gaur, we have the slow loris, we have the only ape in India that is a hulock gibbon, and a variety of birds. Almost 300 plus species of birds are recorded in the Nongkilam and the surrounding reserve forest. We have a wide diversity of amphibians and reptiles as well. So this is a very important natural heritage which we all should conserve and preserve and pass on to the next generation. Many of us may not be knowing that such a bountiful nature, beautiful place exists just about 20 minutes from the district headquarters of Ribo, that is Nongpo. So it is our bound duty to protect and preserve this beautiful area, enjoy the songs of birds, and inculcate the conservation values which we have already been practicing to the next generation, and give this land, beautiful intact land, to the next generation. With this message, I would like to request all our people, all the community, general community, to join hands with the forest department for our conservation efforts. Thank you.